Okay, in this problem we're asked to find the explicit formula, the recursive formula, and then the 27th term. The first thing we need to find before we can find the explicit or recursive formula is we need the common difference. There's a common difference between these terms of this sequence, since this is an arithmetic sequence. To find the common difference, what we'll do is take the difference of any two terms in sequence. So for this one, I'm going to take 9 and subtract 15 from it. So 9 minus 15 would give us a common difference of negative 6. We could also find the common difference by taking the difference of 3 and negative 3. So if we had negative 3 minus 3 would give us the common difference of negative 6. So it is an arithmetic sequence, and just to prove it, we could also take 3 minus 9, which would give us negative 6 as well. So there is a common difference between each terms of the sequence, and so this is arithmetic. Now, to find the recursive or explicit formula, you wouldn't have to do this 3 times. You only have to do it once in this case. So what we'll do now is find the recursive formula. To find the recursive formula, not only do we need to know the common difference, we also need the first term, which is 15. So now we'll put it into the general form of the equation. The general form of a recursive formula that we are going to use is a sub n is equal to a n minus 1 plus d, and then we'll need to know what a sub 1 is. So in this case, what we'll do is say a sub n is equal to a n minus 1, common difference of negative 6, and our a sub 1 is 15, so a sub 1 is equal to 15. So that's the recursive formula for this series. Sorry, this sequence, not series. Okay, now to find the explicit formula, we'll have the general form of a sub n is equal to a1 plus d times n minus 1. We'll substitute in a1 again as 15, common difference of negative 6, and that's equal to a sub n. Distribute the 6 so that we get 15 minus 6n plus 6 is all equal to a sub n. Combine like terms, so we end up with a sub n is equal to 21 minus 6n. Now that's our explicit formula. Now the only other thing we have to do in this particular problem is find the 27th term. The simplest way to do this is to going to substitute in 27 into our explicit formula. So a sub 27, or the 27th term, is equal to 21 minus 6 times 27. So we'll multiply negative 6 times 27 and combine that with 21, and so a sub 27, or the 27th term, is equal to negative 141. So we have now found the recursive formula, the explicit formula, and then the 27th term of this sequence.